In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open the settings application. Now you want to select your name at the very top. Now you want to scroll down slightly until you see Find My and tap into that. Now you want to find My iPhone and tap into that. Now you simply want to toggle it off. However, if it's greyed out like mine, then we need to disable stolen device protection first. So to do this, you want to go all the way back to the main menu. Now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Face ID and passcode and tap into that. Now you need to enter in your iPhone passcode. Once you've done this, you want to scroll down until you find Stolen Device Protection and tap into that. Now you simply want to toggle it off, and you need to use Face ID to do so. Just bear in mind that you may get a pop-up asking you to wait an hour before turning this setting off. So you want to start the timer, come back an hour later, and then toggle this option off. Once you've done this, you want to go back to the main menu, and then you want to scroll all the way to the top, and you want to go back to the Find My setting, just like we did before. Once we've done this, we should be able to toggle it off. Now you need to confirm your password to your Apple account, and once you've done this, Find My on your iPhone has now been successfully turned off. So we can go ahead and start using our iPhone just as we normally would. And that's it, so if this video is helpful, please leave a like.